MS Access 2010. In this lesson we will learn about what is a database, advantages of database, MS Access 2010. Computers are not only used for calculation but also for storage. The growing need for data resulted in storing data in a highly organized manner for easy searching of information. To do this, we require a database. What is a database? Database is a collection of related information stored in a centralized location. In a database, interrelated information is stored in a tabular form. This information is organized in such a way that computer programs can quickly retrieve the data. Database acts as a warehouse of data. Advantages of database. Database has many advantages over the conventional filing systems. Some of these are: 1. Database facilitates quick and easy management and storing of data. 2. It can store vast amount of data. 3. It eliminates duplication of data. Suppose a school has 2 registers, one for school fees collection and another for library books. A student needs to change his address. He informs the school, but his address is changed only in school fee register, not in library register. So now school has 2 records of address for the same student. Database eliminates duplication of data as information in a database is centrally located. 4. Since data is stored in one central location, it also controls inconsistency of data. In the above example, if we change the address in the database, it will reflect all the records of the student. 5. Database allows us to share and collect data. It also validates the data being stored. 6. Database maintains standard data security and integrity. Database Management System, DBMS. We need a database management system to access, create, modify, delete or add data in a database. Database management system is a set of programs which enables us to enter, organize, select and retrieve information from a database. Popular database management systems are MS Access, Base, Clipper, etc. Base is DBMS of OpenOffice.org, which is a free application software. Here we will learn to work with MS Access 2010. Components of a database. The information in a database is represented in the tabular format so that any specific piece of information can be accessed if a reference point is known. The main components of a database are fields, records and table. The field is the basic unit of data in a database. A field stores a single piece of information of a particular data type. Fields are combined to form records. A set of records with the same fields are collected together in a table. A table can be defined as a 2-dimensional representation of data using rows and columns. MS Access 2010. MS Access is a database management system from Microsoft. It is an application provided with MS Office. It is easy to use and facilitates storage and management of large amount of data. MS Access allows graphical user interface and has many software development tools. MS Access is a relational database management system, RDBMS. Relational database provides connectivity between data. It understands how lists and objects in them are related to each other. Data is placed in a tabular form so that you can build relations with MS Office. It is easy to use. and facilitates storage and management of large amount of data. MS Access allows graphical user interface and has many software development tools. MS Access is a relational database management system, RDBMS. Relational database provides connectivity between data. It understands how lists and objects in them are related to each other. Data is placed in a tabular form so that you can build relation in between tables. Starting MS Access. Follow these steps to start MS Access 2010. 1. Click Start button. Click All Programs. 2. Click Microsoft Office. 3. Click Microsoft Access 2010. The Microsoft Office Access Backstage view will appear as shown here. The Backstage view is the starting point from when you can create a new database file to work in or open an existing database file. Here we will create a new blank database file and learn to do elementary operations with it. Creating a new blank database. The steps to create a blank database are as follows. 1. With the new Backstage View active, select Blank Database option from the Advantage Template section. 2. Enter the name for your database file in the File Name field. 3. Click on the Create button. A database file with the same name will get created and displayed in the Access window with one default table, Table 1. Components of MS Access. The picture below shows the MS Access 2010 user interface with a new blank database. The elements of MS Access user interface are: Title bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar. It displays the title of current database. Quick Access toolbar. It is to the left of the title bar. It displays buttons to access commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. Ribbon. It is below the title bar. It has different tabs and tools to execute different functions. Database object. An Access database has 4 main objects: tables, queries, forms and reports. These objects are displayed in the navigation pane. You can select an object from here and see its contents in the work area. Navigation pane. It is left side pane. It displays various elements of database. You can open, rename and delete objects using the navigation pane. Work area. Here we enter data and create elements such as forms, tables and reports. The work area differs according to database element selected. Status bar. It is placed at the bottom of the window. It displays the status of database. Understanding about database tables. When a table is created in MS Access, there are 4 things to be taken care of. These are: 1. Field name. This specifies some name for a field or column in a table. The name can be practically anything desired by you, with an exception of not repeating names in the same table. 2. Data type. This specifies the type of information stored in the field. You can choose any of the following data types for a field in MS Access. Data type description. Text. Text can contain any alphanumeric characters up to 255 characters, letters, numbers and symbols including punctuation. Memo. Memo can contain any alphanumeric characters up to 65,535 characters, letters, numbers and symbols, plus or signs. 2. Text. Text can contain any alphanumeric characters up to 255 characters, letters, numbers and symbols including punctuation. Memo. Memo can contain any alphanumeric characters up to 65,535 characters, letters, numbers and symbols including punctuation. Number. A number field is limited to numeric input, numbers, decimal points, plus or signs. This is a field that can be used for mathematical purposes. Date or time. Date or time allows you to enter dates and or times. Currency. This field type is a monetary value, accurate to 4 decimals. Auto number. This field is most often used as a primary key because it creates a unique sequential number for each record. Yes or no. This is a binary field. Its format can be set to yes or no, true or false, or on or off. In each of these cases, there are only 2 options. OLE object. OLE stands for object linked or embedded. This is the option you would use if you need to embed or link a file to a record. Hyperlink. A hyperlink data type would be used for email addresses or web pages. Attachment allows you to attach a file to the record. Attachment fields provide greater flexibility than OLE fields, and they use storage space more efficiently. Lookup wizard. The lookup wizard allows you to link the field to another table. In order to set up a drop-down arrow to choose your data from the other table or query, this will automatically link the 2 tables. Remember, by default, a field declared as data type text is 64 characters long. It is important to note that when auto numbers are set to increment, the field will count in ascending order 1, 2, 3. When a record is deleted, the table is not renumbered. When the record is deleted, its auto number is gone. The records are not renumbered. This can be seen from the example shown here. 3. Field description. A short description about the field can be entered in this column and it is optional. The text you type in the description will be displayed in the status bar in the data sheet view of the table. 4. Field properties. Each field in the table has its own set of properties that further define the field and its utility in the database. The available properties change depending on the data type chosen for a field. What is the primary key? The power of relational database such as MS Access comes from its ability to quickly find and bring together information stored in separate tables using queries, forms and reports. In order to do this, each table should include a field or set of fields that uniquely identify each record stored in the table. This unique field or set of fields is called the primary key of the table. A primary key is a field or combination of fields that uniquely identifies each record in the table. No 2 records in a table should have the same values in every field. Creating a new table. When Access creates a blank database, it also creates a blank table in it with a single field, field 1, and opens in the data sheet view. We see a column named ID. This column is by default the primary key field. We can add more fields in the default table, change their names, and define their data type in the data sheet view itself. But the best place to do it is in the design view.